In Vinton County, this is what happens to roads. They just turn into not roads. Bike wash.
It tired me out or got me winded.
Yeah, me too. Hey everyone, I am back from my little YouTube editing break and feeling good and refreshed. And I'm headed out on a solo ride out today through Ross and Vinton County, Ohio. We've been having a lot of fun. Just got back from a trip from Virginia with my wife. Now I'm taking my first little solo trip. Really enjoyed the break. I'll talk about a little bit of what the channel's going to be doing in the near future. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So we'll see you out there on the road. And we're off. Haven't been on the 890 for a while. Feels little. Howdy-ho, everybody. We are cruising through Scioto Trail State Park on this glorious spring day. High is 69. Can't beat it kind of weather. And I'm just touching base with you. You know, I took a break from making content there for a while because I was getting a little burnt out. And what was really happening was my brain was pretending like I was going to start getting a lot more subscribers and viewers and whatnot. No matter how much you try to avoid it, it feels like, I think everybody falls into that trap when YouTube puts your video in front of a bunch of people. You get 1,000 views overnight, 100 subscribers, and then you think, wow, I might be able to do something with this. Well, that happened about 3 times, and like every time, you know, nothing, crickets after that. So it got to the point where I felt like I was almost getting a little burnt. So I decided, let's take a break. So I did, about a month probably. Got back from a trip with my wife to Horizons Unlimited in Virginia and made a couple videos from that and realized that not only did I miss it, but I realized what I was doing wrong. And that was worrying about, you know, getting views and getting subscribers and whatnot. Woe is me. I know, you guys, woe is me. It's such a hard life. So when I started creating content again, I really missed it. I mean, I come from a music background, and something about making content is like a culmination of visual and audio and structure and everything being put together, and it's such an artistic release. And so I realized I just need to go for it, you know. I need to just do the best I can, and if my friends and family enjoy it, that's good enough for me. So that's what happened, and got back from Virginia after talking to the Moto Photo guys out there, and ended up dropping a couple grand I probably shouldn't have on a mirrorless camera. And so now I am set to get like the shots I want. I'm not done yet with this content creation. I want to be better at it, and I want to perfect it. And I'm going to start doing more little ride out videos to just kind of hone the craft in, show you guys some places here and there. I've really only got one big trip this year, and that is going to be 2 up with my wife over 18-20 days, something like that, in September. So in the meantime, I'm going to do some camp outs, you know, little 2-day, 3-day rides, maybe a ride out here and there, and just hone my craft. Yeah, just giving you an update. I know this is a lot to take in, and no one really cares. Maybe some of you do, maybe some friends and family do that like watching the content. Maybe somebody out there who's thinking about creating content. You'll go through it, I promise you. I don't know how you avoid that YouTube trap, the algorithm of the brain, but good luck. So anyway, today I'm meeting up with a guy I've never met before. Through our Facebook group here in Southern Ohio to ride some of the Vinton non-maintained roads. So I'm really looking forward to that, to see what happened over the winter. We may end up getting detoured and turned around, who knows, but we're going to go give it a shot, and we will see you on the trail. Cruising down Haynes Hollow. Got my new buddy, retiree, 70-year-old Jeff Seymour in tow. I hope when I'm 70 I'm still doing this craziness. You climbed the one down in Shawnee?
No, I don't think I've seen that one yet.
Oh, you ain't been down there?
Is
Yeah,
that
it's open. You can walk all the way up to the top on it.
right up in the top of it. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
In Vinton County, this is what happens to roads. They just turn into not roads.
They used to have some, they had a national motocross just right up here at Laurelville,
Oh, yeah.
Delphi.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I saw Roger DeCoster race the CZ there.
Oh, cool. All righty. Yeehaw! Road's in good shape. Not to get political, but we finally made it to Election Road.
Is that on your cell phone?
Yeah. It's just a burner. I bought it for 30 bucks on eBay.
Okay.
It's already cracked and I keep my phone in my pocket.
Yeah, you're a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then if this breaks, it's no big deal. And we're off. Doing stuff you shouldn't do on big motorcycles. That's some ruts right there. We're gonna go this way. Made it up that on the KLR.
Yeah.
Wow. In the rut? The left one or the right one going?
I stayed up on that high side of that real deep rut.
Yep. Yeah. When I started down that hill, I thought, man, it's wetter than I thought it was going to be. It's like
It tired me out or got me winded.
Yeah, yeah, me too. Because you get nervous and you hold on so damn tight.
Yeah.
Don't need to do that. So the whole point of this little venture today, because every venture with me has to have a point, is to kind of come up with a big bike Vinton County route. Won't be real long, but you can see all these roads. You just got to go down them. I mean, like this hill, you could come up. It's not too shabby, but a lot of them, I mean, if you were pro level, you could probably get a big bike up. But I want to set it up where if you got a GS, you can see these roads and just go down all of them. So you might end up doing a few figure eights, but you won't really see the same thing. I don't know when it'll be ready. I've actually been kind of working on it for a couple years now. It's all Ted Williams tracks. I'm just trying to get them lined up for the big bikes to get through. Bike wash. right, we have made it to the top of Township Highway something, but I think it's Bala. Some of the more technical stuff on this route is up in here, but we're going down it. Funny thing about gravity, kind of helps you get there. Nice line. Making it look easy.
Not bad.
Yeah, I didn't even see that line you took around that tree. That was nice.
Oh, yeah.
Did you lay it down? I smell gas.
No? I think saw that juggling.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh. Juggling out of the bowl or something.
Didn't know you knew how to juggle. We just missed the one wipeout of the day. My partner in crime back there pulling out on the road on, I think, Beach Fork. And there's like a big washout, but I think he was in the wrong gear. And yeah, no damage. Bent up the brake lever. Man, it is a treat out here on these old roads. Thank you, Vinton County, for keeping your roads open. Well, we're just finishing up our trip on the gravel sections here on Wolf Cemetery Road. This 50-year-old man is tired. Got up at 5 o'clock today, ran the mail route in record time, and rode a couple hundred miles, and about 60 miles of that was some pretty hard off-road Vinton County glory. So what did we learn today? A couple things. One, you could be 70 years old and still ride a dirt bike on some very hard terrain. So never give up. And secondly, we learned that you can actually meet people on social media and they're okay. I have had a blast today. I haven't been on this bike for a while. Been riding the new GS, and it has been a nice little reintroduction to the nimble, lightweight 890, and I love it. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed the ride out today. It has been a wonderfully great day. We only had one wipeout. All in all, pretty good. Get out there and ride, everybody. Hope to see you on the next round.